How to fix Motorola E50 Fusion or 60 Fusion black screen problem. If the screen is black but the phone vibrates, rings or gets warm, the system software has crashed. So what you can do is simply press and hold the power button and the volume down button at the same time. Now keep holding both of these buttons firmly for 15 to 20 seconds. Do not let go until you feel the vibration and see the white Motorola M logo appear on the screen. And if the phone is completely unresponsive, the battery may have dropped below its critical safety threshold. So simply plug the phone into its original Motorola Turbo power charger and a wall outlet. Now let it charge for at least 30 minutes. Even if no charging animation appears, while it's still plugged into the charger, attempt the force hardware restart, that is, press on power plus volume down and try restarting. And if the phone still shows a black screen but vibrates when you hold the buttons, try entering the system bootloader. Press and hold the power button and volume down button simultaneously from a powered off state. If the text-based fastboot or recovery menu appears, use the volume keys to highlight restart, bootloader or normal boot and tap the power button to select it. And in this way, you'll be able to fix Motorola E50 or 60 Fusion black screen problem. That's it for the video, guys. If you enjoyed the video, consider giving it a like and subscribing to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.